Here we have a Weld Plus WPI-2000 welding rolls. It comes with one main unit, the power unit, and 3 supports. And you can control it at the control base here, or you can control it with the foot pedal. And we'll go ahead and we can show you here. It goes in 2 directions. And you do have adjustable speed if you want to adjust the speed slower. And the other direction here. You can also control it with the foot pedal. So that's turning it off, and then you turn it back on with the foot pedal. And you can go in both directions if you need it. Okay, that is the Weld Plus WPI 2000 welding rolls.